What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the lift I'm going to be installing on my truck tomorrow. As you can see, everything just came in today, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. So as you can see here in the front, for the front I'm going to be doing the MaxTrac lift spindles. It's a 4.5 inch lift spindle. We'll take a look at those in a second. For the rear I'm going to do a 2-inch block from MotoFab lifts. And then for the front struts, I'm going to be doing the Bilstein B8 5100 ride height adjustables. So let's go ahead and open these boxes and see what we got. So again, like I said, we're going to be doing the MaxTrac Spindles. You can see right here, it's got the MaxTrac logo. It's kind of nice and right there. Doing some research online, everybody said that these were pretty heavy duty, and when you grab them, they actually are pretty heavy. They said they're about 40 pounds. I kind of wanted to weigh them myself, so let's go ahead and take a look and see how much they weigh. They actually weigh here. Okay, so about 34, almost 35 pounds. So you can definitely feel the weight. Set those right there. Also in the box, I want to say that these right here are the extended brake lines for that, so we didn't open that. And then like I said, from MotoFab, I went with MotoFab. They're a little bit cheaper. For the rear blocks, this is a 2-inch rear block. I want to say that these cost me about 40 bucks. Then we got the black U-bolts. Before I ordered these shocks though, I went ahead and ordered a 1/2 inch lift spacer to go on top of the struts. I was going to go 5 inches in the front, 2 inches in the back. I'm still going to go 5 inches in the front. I just don't know yet if I'm going to put the spacer on or if I'm just going to use the Bilstein adjustables. So I guess we'll figure that out tomorrow. All right, here we are back at the truck. So as you can see right now, the truck just has a leveling kit on it. It's got a 2.5 inch spacer up in the front, and then there's nothing in the back. But for a comparison, before we put the lift on, let's go ahead and see how high the front measures, and then we'll measure it based off of the back so we know exactly where we're sitting before it gets lifted. So right now in the front is sitting at just about 39.5 inches. So let's go ahead and compare it with the back. So here we are at the back, and we can see that the back sits at about a little under 39 inches, so about a 1/2 inch higher in the front. So that's how the truck looks right now. We'll check back in after the truck's lifted. Hey, what's up guys? So we're back. As you can see, the sun's starting to go down, but we just got the truck back. I think it looks good. I said we do a comparison, so let's go ahead and see the difference in the front versus the back. So in the front, we're just about 43, maybe a little under 43. But I think it looks good. Like I said, if you take a look in here, you can see we did the Bilstein adjustables, and then you got the MaxTrac spindles here, but I think it looks really good. So it's about 5.5 inches in the front, and then in the back, we're sitting just at about 40.5. So a little lower in the back. Like I said, I think it looks good. I haven't decided yet. I may end up going with a little bit bigger block in the back, maybe a 3-inch block. If you guys want to let me know in the comments what you think. But this is the final product of the truck. I think it looks good.